Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to look about this diorama. Okay, so some of you guys are asking me, commenting on my videos about what diorama I'm using. So this is very cheaper one which I bought I think a year back, after I started this channel and all. So this one is by DCO. This is actually an Indian brand only. You can see the Indian flag here. So I can get it very close to the camera because it is hitting my camera here. So this one is actually a two-piece diorama. So you can see here. So there is the hinge. It will be like two pieces, and it has the screws here. So you just need to screw this. So if you want, you can unscrew this and keep it separately as well. And so it's been 1 year, and this diorama is holding up really well. And as you can see, I'm using for all my shots. Whatever I put, and whatever the thumbnails I'm keeping, for everything I'm using this diorama only. And this I bought it for like 500 rupees. Yeah, for 500 rupees back then. So I think still this brand is available in Flipkart and Amazon. So there is one more version of it as well. I think there's a Tokyo night. It feels like, if you put a car there, it feels like it is moving fast. So that one is, I didn't buy that one because I just want to take some pictures with it. So this one felt more appropriate to that particular scenario which I am looking at. So if you want, you can go ahead and buy that as well. Just check for DCO dioramas. So this is what I've been using for a year now. So I do have a couple more dioramas. I will be showing that sometime soon. I didn't use it yet because it needs to be plugged in and all these things. So I didn't do that yet. So but sooner I will at least showcase that. So yeah, this is it guys. This is what I'm using for here, and the print is really well. And there are some, yeah, here it is. You can see it is taking up a little bit, coming out up a little bit, but nothing serious. For 500 rupees, it is coming for me for more than a year now. And here also you can see the top. Here you can see it is coming out a little bit. But end of the day, while we are doing a video or something, we are not going to show the entire diorama, right? It will be either this level or something like that. So I'm really fine with this one. So maybe until or unless I get a good one, another one, so I will be using this one. And because the rest of the prints and everything, it looks absolutely fantastic till now. So as you can see here, there is no scratches or anything here. Also, everything is really nice. So that's it guys. So that's it for today's video. So if you like the video, hit thumbs up. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.